Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. This is my 2023 holiday Christmas house tour. Yeah, let's get into it. So as always, we put these sparkly twinkling lights on top of the garage, and they go along the entire driveway on the edge of the house. And then we start with the bushes. This is the first bush with natural light. Then we do, let me show you this full bush first. Then we do on this window, it's really pretty white and blue lights on the edge there. And of course these sparkly lights go all the way there. That's a better view of this. This bush is plain because it's just a small bush, so we'll leave her plain for now until she grows bigger. More natural light on this bush. And then here, we have really pretty snowflake lights over here. And this deer, we've had this deer for a long time. I actually forgot where I got this deer from. We've had her for a while. But yeah, really pretty champagne colored deer. And then the start of the candy cane trail, I like to call it, with the candy canes and lights. We did a mix of normal lights, and then here are the gumdrop lights that we usually always do. On over there. So let me give you a different view. There. Like an up close view of that. And then let me take you, like, stroll up the walkway. Maybe it's cold outside. And this wreath. And then this is a new, well, okay, let me do the, oh, actually I'll do the garland now. So this garland is a new tradition that we started this year. On either side of the door with the poinsettias. And then of course the nativity scene, which we always do with the blue light. Beautiful. And then over here, let me step over this lights. We have these bushes with natural light. And then more light around the window. Okay, so that's everything. Let me show you a different view. And then this is a different view of the walkway. Okay, well, I will see you guys inside for the rest of the tour. So I'm gonna show you guys this with the light off and on. So this is on, so you can get a better view, and then it looks prettier at night, like with the light off, so. But we have some decor here. Really, really pretty with the cranberries, the snowflakes. And then, let's see. Little elf there with a cute little reindeer. A cute little village. And then over here, we have the tablecloth. Christmas tablecloth and candles. Over here is so pretty with the reindeers and the Christmas decor. Isn't he so cute, the Santa with the reindeer? I love him. Over here, a cute little village. We have an angel. We have the elves. The tree. So much going on here. It's so cute. That little snowman, isn't he so cute? Oh my God, I love him. Oh my gosh, so adorable. And then up here we have this wreath from Dollar Tree. We got this last year. I love how this looks. So pretty. And then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with the light off, because it looks so pretty as well. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then over here, it looks so nice. Ugh, obsessed. Yes. Okay, so let's go over here. I'll show just the same. I'll show you with the light off and on. Actually, it looks better with the light off. So, yeah, we did the lantern from Dollar Tree, the fake poinsettias. The stocking's already filled. We have the cranberries, the elf. Well, I guess I'll turn the light off and on in a minute. Cranberries. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. That's from Target like a while back, in case you're wondering. And then let me show you with the light on. There we go. So you can get a better view. Super duper cute. And then I want to show you guys this tree. This tree is always like one of my favorite parts of the whole decoration tour. It just looks so pretty. Absolutely stunning. And then I want to show you guys this really quickly. Isn't that beautiful? Cute lambs hanging there, and then this wreath with the lights, and then okay, and then over here we have the first board, Home for the Holidays. Let's go upstairs really quick and show you guys the rest. As you enter here, these little like trees are like amazing. Okay, let's do the bathroom first, then we'll end with the game room. Here we have these little soap holders, the snowman. So I got from Dollar Tree. Soap holder, Christmas tree, nutcracker. These are all from Bath and Body Works. And then this Santa as well. And then I'm gonna show you my room really quick. Nothing much in my room. Nothing too crazy, but just a few things. May your days be merry and bright. We have this sign, which I love. 'Tis the season to be fabulous. Then this candle from Walmart, and this nutcracker from Bath and Body Works as well. Clock, which I love. The mouse and the nutcrackers. Really pretty. Christmas pillows. And yeah, that's everything here. And then let me show you the big finale, which is the rest of the game room. Let's just close this door really quick. Stop the door. So we have two trees. The tree downstairs, and then this is the white tree upstairs. We have Frosty over there with the gifts, the skirt of the tree. Santa, the Miss Elf over here, another board. And then I love this little gingerbread over here. And then, look at all this stuff, you guys. We have the angel. And then all these pretty lights over here. So let me give you a closer look. Let me turn this on for you guys. The Nutcracker there, and then up close here, this says Jingle All the Way, in case you guys are wondering what it said. Yeah, so that is everything, you guys. That's the whole tour. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Like, up, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays, and Merry Christmas. Until next time. Bye, guys.